name is Ken Reed. We're now looking at page 8, the wall display page number 8 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit with a title, Roofing, and under it is 8A, Trusses and Framing. 8B is Types of Roof Designs, so we will cover all these different things like mansard roofs. 8C, Substrate, Decking, Laminates. We'll look into ways to get a very long-lasting waterproof roof. 8D, Drainage, Gutters, Flashing, and Waterproofing Products. These are important and must be used properly. 8E is the membrane, which is something, again, most people don't think about membranes when you're talking about roofing. 8F, Exterior Roofing Products, the types of roofing products available on the market and some of the things coming down the pipe. 8G, Roof Venting Choices. Ventilation of roofs is important. If it's done right, it'll work. If it's not, it won't. And 8H, Rainwater Catchment Systems, which are becoming much more popular as water becomes more expensive across the country and as people are looking into things like natural landscaping and gardening.